What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Back at it. We got a little bit longer hair, we got a grayer beard, and we're rocking a chipped tooth right now. But what has me doing a video? New iPhones. Now, I know that I'm very late, but it is what it is. We're going to be taking a look at the iPhone 14 Pro in deep purple today. Before we jump into the unboxing, just a quick note from the sponsor of today's video, Casetify. So the launch of the new iPhone 14 models, Casetify have announced upgraded versions of their Impact and Ultra Impact cases. So I have two of them here. I have an example of the Impact as well as the Ultra Impact case. So they've been able to improve the technology. So they created a proprietary technology they're terming EcoShock, which has increased the drop protection by over 20%. So now with the Impact cases, which don't have any of the bumpers on the side, you're getting 8.2 feet of drop protection. And then with the Ultra Impact cases, which is essentially the same thing as the Impact case, but there's the addition of the bumpers on the corners. So it allows it to maintain the slimness of the overall case, but it gets you up to 11.5 feet of drop protection, which is just crazy when you think about just how sleek and slim the case is. So some of the great things about Casetify and the company of the cases is just their movement towards sustainability. So these cases, they're made with 65% plant-based materials, is also partially made by upcycling cases. So they have a Recasetify program in which they'll use old phone cases to make parts of their new cases, which I think is good. There's a lot of waste, so movement towards sustainability is crucial. Another thing that I really like is just the amount of designs that they have available. So if you go to the Casetify site and you just start scrolling, there is just an endless amount of design styles that you could ask, like it's just nonstop. It almost could be too much. But they've done collaborations with different artists and influencers. You can filter accordingly. But what I've been really liking a lot of are kind of these like sticker type of cases with having the back clear. So you can see the color of your case on the back, but it's just not plain clear. You have these stickers that show through, and I think personally, this is what I've been into a little bit more here. And you can get 15% off your case by using the link below. All right, so let's get into the unboxing. Not gonna lie, the box, it's kind of underwhelming. I mean, just no waste at all. They don't even didn't they do like the plastic around the box for a while, and now it's just this little pull tab here, just two pull tabs and you're good. Side note, I also have my 13 Pro here because I want to take a look at, this is the Sierra Blue, so I want to see how the Sierra Blue looks compared to the deep purple. Not super excited about the deep purple, but it's, yeah, I don't know. That's what they gave us. I honestly didn't really know what to expect with this guy, with the deep purple color. I'm typically not a purple person. And let me just get this for you real quick. All right. So I'm typically not like someone that's into purple. It is like, it's a very dark purple. So I guess that's something that's a little different and unique about it, and it kind of skews towards just like midnight or gunmetal or just almost like a black, but I don't know, it just doesn't, I think it's a miss for a special color. I'm always hoping and waiting and wishing that they do something interesting for a special color, and I mean, we've been in different shades of blues or greens for a while now. So it's commendable to go away from that and go purple. Next, and I will tell you, Sierra Blue, I wasn't super into. when I first got, I kind of was going back and forth on it, and it actually did grow on me a lot. I actually really enjoy the Sierra Blue color. I like, it's just, when I compare this to Pacific Blue, Sierra Blue just, this is a phone that I think will look good for many years, where Pacific Blue, it didn't hold up. Deep Purple, I don't know. I'd say pass on the Deep Purple. Let's slap a case on it and see how it looks. So with the Casetify case, it's really cool because you can still see the back. But with these ones that I do with like the stickers on them, I like because it gives like kind of depth to it because the stickers are a little bit raised above it. If you're someone that likes the special colors, you just go with the special color every single year. Whatever they give you, we're just gonna go because then, I mean, in reality, when you take a look at the 13 Pro versus the 14 Pro, the differences, it's very difficult to tell. So if you're someone that just wants people to know that you have the latest and greatest phone, I guess get the special color. But the Deep Purple, I don't know, for me, it's a pass. That's my take. Deep Purple is a deep miss. Throw it deep in the water because you don't want it. Get one of the other colors. Hopefully we do some deep thinking and come up with a better color. Real quick though, dude, one thing, looking at the lenses are massive. Just feeling these two phones, this one, I don't know the specs, look it up. The 14 Pro feels much heavier. It's definitely a lot top heavier as well. And the lenses stick out super far. Like it's drastically noticeable when I compare it to my 13 Pro. That's wild. I mean, I don't know. At some point in time, they have to figure out a way to, like, you can't just keep bumping this thing out more and more to get like better cameras, because it gets to the point of diminishing returns. All right, so you just spent over $1,000 on your brand new iPhone 14 Pro. You unboxed it, haven't even gone through the setup yet. You slap on an Ultra Impact case from Casetify. Like, hey, I want to check out the drop protection. Don't do it. I'm going to do it for you right now. This thing is perfect. 11.5 feet with the Ultra Impact case, 8.2 feet with the Impact case from Casetify. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to be doing a bunch more iPhone videos. I'm going to have all the colors coming in. I'm going to compare them all. We're going to do cases. We're going to do freaking everything. I haven't been on YouTube for a while. I got a little guy running around. It makes it a lot more difficult, but I'm going to put a lot more effort. He's more manageable now. So I'm going to put more effort and time into this so that I'm not taking 6 months out before doing another video. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like the video. Also, use the link below to get 15% off your case from Casetify. I'll catch you in the next one.